That wasn't as loud as I would have liked. Let's give it another go. Slightly better. The sound quality could be better on Pumpkin's soundboard. Here it is. Oh, that's confusing. This one. But it's a work in progress. Yes. So here we are once again at 17:01 on a Monday afternoon. I had to think then what I was trying to say. Yes. So we are here to look at these weekly web dev challenge submissions. Aren't they brilliant? So many wonderful themes. Creative minds have gathered here today to show them off. Looking forward to seeing who is here. We have Dave, Vish Wanath, Kendrick, Jamaican, Emma, Mario, and Breen is here. Lana is back. Michaela, Ariadne, welcome. Yes, excellent. I know for a fact that many of you have submitted a solution. If you have indeed submitted one of these fantastic light and dark theme switches, then please raise your hand and I will do my best to look at as many as possible throughout the course of this stream. Yeah. And of course, we are here to find out who has won this mysterious vote. And there is still time to vote. Vote closes 5:15 p.m. GMT today, aka in 12 minutes time. So yes, go along and cast your vote. Okay, some hands coming in to the chat. I might have confused myself here because, for example, Web Shivam has sent a wave. I don't know if that means that they've sent a submission as well. Let me know. Anyway, let's begin with the people I'm fairly sure have submitted. And the first one is Amin. Yes. Who created with Figma, no less, this pumpkin-themed blog. Pumpkin even has his own logo. Look at that. Amazing. And we have the all-important dark and light theme. Fantastic, I mean. I like the way it transitions like this as well. Do I really have 9 lives? Oh, I hope so, Pumpkin. That would be good. Yes, well done, I mean. And very good that you took the opportunity to practice a bit of Figma while you're at it. Why not? Fabulous. Fernando. I'm not sure if that means that Fernando has submitted. Let's have a look. I don't think so. Oh, for Nat. I don't think so. And this is under a different name. Let me know. Taves, what's up, is telling me that he has indeed submitted with a very handy piece of functionality, which is use system pref. And if you're wondering what that means, allow me to open up my settings and select, I'll go for dark mode. A dark mode in my settings, and that will then mean that, bear with me, yes, there we go. When I refresh and hit use system pref, transitioning to dark mode as per my settings. Extremely fancy. Well done to Dave. I really need to work on making that soundboard a bit quicker. Yeah. Who else is here? Alana, oops, has submitted a space-themed one. Yeah, you could change the theme if you wish. We had football, we have space. Someone's done a, what do you call it, marine life one with an octopus. But anyway, over to Alana's space-themed one. Look at it go. Amazing multicolored shadows around the photos. Beautiful. But that's not all. No, we can switch over to the dark side. Very creative, Alana. Well done, you. Yes. Good luck to all that applies, said Emma. Yes. Very true. Renzo, let's take a look at yours. Wow, yeah. Renzo has made this, which has this paw print background. Here it is in the dark version. But you may be thinking this is an image in the background. You'd be wrong. It is in fact made with gradients. Yeah. This kind of mind-blowing, I know. Allow me to find it and explain more. I guess we search background. Not this, not this. This. The post container, which is the thing that contains the posts, as you would expect, has all of these. I think they're all radial gradients, yeah, which make these paw prints. And the amazing thing about this is that you can then change the colors within it. Shall I attempt that, or will it break the internet? I'm going to attempt it. It was highlight too. I'll try highlight. I think you might have to do all of them for it to make a difference. But I tested it when it was submitted and it was very impressive. So well done to you, Renzo. Yay! Extremely impressive. Hello, Quang Li Ho. I'm not sure if you've submitted. Let me know if so, and I'll have a look. And Breen. Oh yeah. So that was another different topic that someone has done. And Breen has created this website for, I believe it's hers and her sister's craft business, or maybe just her sister's, I'm not too sure. But anyway, these are real crafts that Ambreen and her sister have made together. So that's an excellent use of the Weekly Web Dev Challenge. And there is the alternate mode. Beautiful purple, beautiful blue. I think it goes really nicely with the content as well. So fantastic, yeah. Just goes to show you really can do whatever you want with the Weekly Web Dev Challenge. You can even use it to make something you actually need. Yeah. Kendrick, what was yours? Let's check it out. Kendrick has made this cat block. Yeah, with a beautiful cat background. It didn't have enough cats, so Kendrick added some more with some rather angry posts from Pumpkin, which is quite fitting with his personality. But just take a look at this toggle. Beautiful sun. Beautiful moon. Yeah. And a very nice transition between the two. So, fantastic job to you, Kendrick. Woo! Woo! Brenda Michelle. Did you send one? I really should have said that if you've sent one, a specific emoji. That's what I'll do next time. Yes. So many cats, says Dave. Yes. Terry. Now, as I was saying, you can use the Weekly Web Dev Challenge to make something that you need, which is what Terry has done here. Terry has turned it into kind of portfolio, which is pretty cool. And we have dark mode, light mode. How creative is that? Looking great. Wow, look at that. Is that canoeing? I tried kayaking once. Well, Michael and I tried it once. Yeah, that's the last time I'm doing water sports. So you're braver than me, Terry, and very creative with your Weekly Web Dev Challenge. Woo! Just saying hi. Yes, that's good too. New here. Woo! That brings me to my next point. If you are new here, please put a bunny rabbit in the chat if you've been before. Hit me with that tiger. We don't do anything with this information. It's just a bit of a fun tradition. Yes. And also, usually people start doing it before I say it. So I kind of have to explain why people are posting tigers in the chat, which is good. Ooh, I'm Mikachu. Are you? Exciting stuff. Mikachu, here it is, has turned to the cat for inspiration on the color scheme. Look at it. Ah, beautiful. Notes from a cat lady. Well, from one cat lady to another. I highly approve. And here is the alternate mode, which goes with the other cat. Let us know what the cats are called. Very beautiful. Well done to you. Ooh. Germanican has a submission. Oops. Let's check it out. Do you? Maybe you use a different name. Let me know. Oh, one step ahead. It's something. Yes. Michael and I had a look at this in Friday's stream because we wanted to add an Easter egg, but we didn't know how. And then I remembered that Germanican68, aka It's Something, had added one for their own submission. And here it is. We have light mode, dark mode. Ooh. But if you unlock the secret code or passage of clicking, I'm not sure how to describe it, you get a new toggle with a cat. And then, yeah, amazing. Really, I think all websites should look like this. That would be fantastic. But if you're at work and suddenly realize that your boss is going to walk past and want to look like you're doing work, you can just click this, back to professional mode. But then you can get the party started whenever you want. Yeah. Fantastic work. It's something. And always good to add more cats. Who else has submitted? Save Marie. Okay. Let's find Save Marie's. Yes, a change of color scheme, which is always nice because then you get lots of different colors on the submission site. So very nice. And a good selection for the colors as well. I like the blue with the light mode and then the purple with the dark mode. Very effective. Oh no, I've closed Pumpkin Sun mode. Disaster. Reopen and move it to another screen. And then I'll do, yes, clapping. Well done. Save Marie. Ooh, hello, Michael Walker. Nice to see you here. Nice job, Amin, says Kendrick. Totally. No submission this time, Fernando. Maybe next time. Yeah. Who else do we have here? I used 2 style sheets for mine. Really? Wow. Can we see that in yours? Can't remember now. Or is it published so it's hidden? Oh, mysterious. Maybe I can check it out in the old DevTools. We have one. Right. Styles dark. And then Styles light. Interesting. Yeah, very nice. What else do we have? Yes, glass morph. Very cool. Lacho's here. Hello, Lacho. Good. FLX ENT. I think you might have used a different name. Let me know. Both me and my sister do the crafts. That is super cool. Let go of me, human was my favorite bit going through the entries. Yes, that was very nice indeed. an elephant in the chat. Woo! Has anyone also 4 cats here? Wow, no, I have 2 cats. Not 4 yet. Maybe one day. Lots of tigers coming into the chat. I have a feeling, well, maybe not actually. Ariadne. No, maybe next time. Ooh, a bunny rabbit in the chat. Welcome if you're a bunny rabbit, and welcome back if you're a tiger. Amazing to have you all here. Orange cat is named Fish. Black and white one is Diablo. Ooh. Good choice of names. Who else has submitted? Snowbit. I think Snowbit had one. Yes. Here is Snowbits with a beautiful spinning cat in a tracksuit, maybe? In an outfit anyway. Very nice. And a very nice toggle here. I like the hover state, and it changes to a cute little moon. That is beautiful, Snowbit. Well done to you. I'm David. Solution with local storage. Oh, that's what I was looking at. David has gone for a rather fetching pink. I can't remember if I put that pink in or if David selected it, but in any case, very nice indeed. And what is cool about it is, as David says, uses local storage. So when you come back, David's site will remember which theme you preferred, which is a very nice addition, I would say, to the functionality, because that wasn't a stretch goal or anything. So yes, well done to you, David. Yes. Soon, I will be announcing the winner. But not yet. No. I know, I'm keeping you on the edge of your seats. I have a small list, most of which we've already looked at, actually, of submissions we can take a peek at. But if you're here and I haven't looked at yours yet, then let me know and I will look at it. Yes, Stephen changed up the theme a little bit and went for all white, but a nice orange, is that? Or golden kind of hover state. Yes, which I think looks very nice with the dark and the light theme. Because it is hard to find colours that work with both. You might be thinking, no, it's not. Literally everything goes with black and white. But you got to think about contrast, people. Yeah. So well done to you, Stephen. Fantastic job. Who else do I have? Aaron. Aaron's Web Dev blog. This one, I'm not sure what happened here, but what I noticed about it, I'm not showing my screen, am I? That's annoying. I'm not sure if I was sharing it for the previous one either. If not, here it is. Sorry about that. Yes, Aaron has made this one with a really cool toggle and a nice transition. And these quote marks, I remember having to make these once when I was a junior, and it was a bit of a nightmare. So I admire anyone who makes those. Yes, I am glad to join the community, says Arja. Yay! Woo, woo, woo. Hope you enjoyed just for fun last minute solution. Yes, let's take a look at that one. Beautiful. Striking yellow. Oh, that looks really nice. And then, yay! Looks just as good in the dark mode. Well done to you. Inner gold. I also made use of local storage in my app. Did you? Wow. Look. Check out that we have here. Over here. Oh yes, indeed. Fabulous. That is a very good addition. Impressive. May I make a suggestion for picking the random winner? Just refresh the entries page and pick the first entry. I could do that. That sounds good. I will do that. Thank you for the suggestion. I love your fun solution, Illa Gold, says Ambrine. Next week, cats are forbidden. Yep, no cats in the next one, which brings me nicely to my next point, actually. Here it is. The next challenge, aka the final challenge of the year, is this beautiful glowing orb. Yes. And it is a retro screensaver. Well, it's not yet, but it will be when you finish with it. The idea is this actually has many more colors, of course, in the gradient. Here they all are. And you have to set it up so you can, well, animate it basically so you can see the different colors. And if you would like a stretch goal, you could allow the user to adjust the start time. So, for example, on page load, you can have a 5-minute timer that starts, and then the screensaver pops up. And you can move this orb across the screen. Yes, looking forward to seeing all of your amazing solutions. Final challenge, not ever. No, the final one of this year. Apart from the JavaScriptmas challenges, which will be starting, of course, on December the 1st. Woo, woo, woo. If you're looking forward to JavaScriptmas, post a, what shall we have? Reindeer? Yes. A reindeer in the chat. I know I am looking forward to JavaScriptmas a lot. JavaScriptmas. That's right, Dave. Yes, it's like the weekly web dev challenge, but it's every day and it's Christmassy. JavaScriptmas is awesome. Woo, woo, woo. Yes, looking forward to that very much indeed. If you have not yet enrolled, is what I'm trying to say, on the Weekly Web Dev Challenge page, make sure you go and hit this purple button here, and then you will get my colorful emails with all the different challenges, basically. Yes, it could be your New Year's resolution to do every single one. Wouldn't that be amazing? Yes, totally would. Okay, let's see if there are any more I can look at in the few remaining minutes. Ooh, Aung has a cool animated toggle, according to my notes. Cool indeed. Whoa, look at it go. That's the kind of thing that just cheers you up on a website, isn't it? Things like this. Very nice. Looking forward to JavaScriptmas 2021. Woo, woo, woo. Yes, $1,000 grand cash prize is given away on Christmas Eve. Yes. Wow, mind blank there. Saltovsky has decided not to do cats. No cats here. Here you go, Jose. Maybe you'll like this one. Instead of cats, we have Man United legend Paul Scholes with a dark and light theme. Not only that, you can click this button and get quotes on Paul Scholes. Yeah, click for quote. Laurent Blanc, France's 1998 World Cup winner. I tell anyone who asks me, Scholes is the best English player. There you go. You heard it here. Amazing stuff. I wonder what I could buy with $1,000 grants. Yeah, I know. Lots of domain names for your cat social media that's in the works. Awesome. And maybe that's all the ones I was going to... Oh, this one. Mateus has created a nice bluey grey, I guess, theme, which works really well with both the dark and the light theme. I've dropped the ball on the clapping. Yes. Fabulous stuff. I joined Scrimba last year after Christmas, planning to participate this year in JavaScriptmas. Excellent news. Yes, it will, of course, be starting next week. Terrifyingly, next week, it will be December. Whoa, how did that happen? Yes, so that means we will have a new JavaScript challenge every day. That will be very, very exciting. So now it's time, I reckon, to reveal the winner. Let's have a looky. I always do this off screen because I don't trust that the thing hasn't broken, and then it would be really awkward. I mean, not that it wouldn't be awkward anyway, but yes, here we are with a whopping 45.5% of the vote. Karen Pandit has won. Yay! Karen. This one. Karen decided to go for a blog topic, I guess, and this beautiful lunar and solar toggle, which I think is just stunning. So well done to you, Karen! Yay! Wait. I think Karen's won before, but anyway, if not, you will get the yellow Weekly Web Dev winner badge over on Discord. I have a feeling you've already got it, but you'll also get the other prizes too. And now, on to selecting the random winner. And as Dave suggested, what I'm going to do here is, congrats, Karen. Yes, I am going to refresh this because, in case you haven't noticed, this is not the winner. This is me demonstrating. I'll let you know when it's the winner. Part of our Hacktoberfest drive, or one of the pull requests, I guess, was to make the entries load in a random order, because I thought otherwise you always see the first 5 that get submitted and maybe people at the bottom won't really get seen. So that's what they do. So that is exactly how I'm going to select the random winner who will win 6 months free Scrimba Pro. And it will be this one here, just for the sake of transparency. So I will now select the winner. The next refresh will be the winner. Okay, let's give it a go. Dave. Wow. What are the chances? Well, the chances, I guess, are 1 in 41. So there you go, Dave. That was not planned, or at least if it was, I don't know about it. And Dave is, yeah, really on the ball with that one. Well done to Dave. Now I'm blushing. Lol. Yes. Blushing with the joy of free 6 months Scrimba Pro. How amazing is that? All geared up for JavaScriptmas. That's good. I'm glad people are taking part, because I recorded all these challenges and then I thought, oh, what if people don't want to do it? That would suck. So yes. Amazing. So that is it. Woo, that was a roller coaster ride. I am back on Wednesday with Shruti Balasa, who will be giving us an intro to Tailwind. Yep, answering questions and making a demo project as well. So definitely tune in for that if you've been wondering how to get started with Tailwind. Maybe you want a refresher. Yes, or you just want to chat about Tailwind. I've been using in Kevin Powell's new course, Scrimba Space Travel. He doesn't use Tailwind, but he kind of uses a similar approach, which is he sets up utility classes. So, for example, there's a class that all it does is it adds display flex, and you have to add it to each HTML element that uses flex, which is a similar approach to Tailwind. And I thought I was going to hate it, but I actually quite like it. It's much less confusing in the CSS. All of this is to say, I'm looking forward to hearing all about Tailwind with Shruti. Yes, exciting stuff there. And then on Friday, Michael, Pumpkin, and Kitty, that's our other cat who hasn't yet made it to the thumbnail, but one day will. We'll be back live coding this retro screensaver. Rasquez says Tailwind is awful. Well, that's worth watching as well. I mean, Michael and I coding is awful, and people watch that for some reason. So there were 200 people at one point on Friday. Admittedly, a very brief point, but you know, it was good. Party time. Okay, that is it for this broadcast. I will be coming back at you on Wednesday. Have a wonderful couple of days and keep coding.